Good evening, students. This is Sindhu from BCom PA department. In this video, we are going to see about audit framework and its regulations and audit assurance. Um, an assurance engagement is a professional service which an independent practitioner evaluates to measure the subject matter against a certain criteria. An assurance engagement is a professional service in which a practitioner expresses a conclusion. If an auditor audits one company, after auditing, what are the steps has to be followed, everything will be included in that assurance. It enhances the confidence of the user about the outcome of the evaluation or measure. Conducted in accordance with the standard issued by professional bodies like International Audit and International Audit Assurance and State Boards, etc. It is not just auditing financial statement. It includes any service where a reliability of an information is being enhanced. It provides a credibility and reduce the doubts among stakeholders. It is performed according to the professional standards. When an auditor examines the financial statements and give an opinion of that company, might the investor may increase its financial condition or develop its own thing. That is called as an assurance. The elements of an audit assurance is three-party relationship. There is always three-party involved: practitioner, responsible party, and as well as an intended user. Practitioner, the auditor who performs an engagement, is called as a practitioner. The person or an entity responsible for preparing the subject matter is a responsible party. And an intended user, a person who really on a report, it means a shareholders, investor, whoever is. They are called as an intention. Okay. Next is subject matter. The main assurance engagement is an subject matter: financial statement, internal control, external control, sustainability report, and compliance report. The audit, it's an auditor duty to give a report about the company development as well as and its the disadvantages, right? So the auditor is responsible for both the criteria for the financial statement as well as other things. Sufficient appropriate evidence. There should be a sufficient appropriate evidence. The auditor must collect an reliable evidence and support the conclusion. Written assurance report. The final output is written report expressed by an auditor and its conclusions. Type of assurance engagement. Assurance engagements are broadly classified into reasonable assurance engagement, limited assurance engagement. Reasonable assurance engagement provides a high level of assurance. Audit risk is reduced very low level. The positive form of conclusion is expressed. For example, statutory audit is conducted under the international standards in Audit 2000. Futures, it is a detailed texting and extension evidence collection, higher level of verification. Limited assurance engagement. It provides a moderate level of assurance. Less evidence is collected and compared to the reasonable assurance, negative form of conclusion is expressed. For example, nothing has come to our attainment that causes belief that the financial statement is materially and a misstatement. Mainly the important levels of assurance are enhance the creatability of an information, reduce the information risk, support the decision making, strengthen the corporate governance. Enhance the credibility information. The user trust financial and non-financial information. Reduce the information risk. The risk realing is incorrect information has been minimized. Improving the stakeholders' confidence. Investor, bank, and regulator feels secure. Strengthen the corporate governance. Encourage the transparency and accountability in an organization. During this concern, during this engagement creditability information and supportive decision making. During auditing, the decision making plays a dominant role while the company has to start another one business, or they have to do some marketing business related to that according to the financial position. The auditor give a proper report about the financial statement of that company so that the management has a decision authority to finish it. So thank you. In next video, let us see the next topic. Thank you.